Okay, it's 20 to 10. And it is pissing down rain here in Newfoundland. I'm just past I don't even know what it's called. Appleton or something. Yeah, Appleton. Anyways, it's coming down pretty hard. And I just want to show you how bad it's coming down. I got my booties on, and this is me soaking wet, but actually I'm quite dry. Oh my goodness, and look at that hill. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, this is what my day is going to look like. I'm going to pull off for a bit and see if it calms down.